Hi, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. And today I just bought a mattress for my own. It's a 10-inch mattress, and I really love it. I think you're gonna love it too. So this is the unboxing of the Dr.Alstone mattress. On this side. Dr.Alstone mattress, single, and that's what it. It came with free mattress. A free mattress, free pillow, sorry. It's like a cheap pillow. It's okay. Personally, I'm hoping that the pillow is the good pillow. Right now, it's technically. Okay, let me bring you closer. So this is it. It's on the side. This is at the back. Hello. Then here, the brand Dr.Alstone. Dr.Alstone, a perfect night. Start with Dr.Alstone mattress. Okay, and they give actually 10 years of warranty. Sorry. Okay, my camera handling is not good. See that? Anti-dust mite, antibacterial, turn-free, firmer support, and minimum disturbance. And this is it. Sorry, my handling is not good. Dr.Alstone Chiropractic. I will get the better view after this. Okay, now let's try. Yeah. It's a bit shaky. I'm hoping for better handling actually. Like it's more firmer, but this is not firm. It's let's see if I can do it. Malay cakap tak selaras. I'm actually I'm a bit disappointed with the mattress. Although it's only 315 ringgit, but it doesn't up to my standard or my expectation. I expect more with this. I don't know if what other people think, but this is my review. This is a 10-inch. Then 10-inch mattress, and then for the upper part, support part is 3-inch. Can you see? Yeah. So, just want to tell seller, Dr.Alstone, I'm quite disappointed. So I'm one of the customer which is disappointed a bit because I have to wait for 3 months to get this mattress because of MCO in Malaysia, and for 3 months waiting, or maybe 4 months waiting, and suddenly you get this kind of quality. It's quite smart. Thank you for watching. In case you liked it, want to see the link of the mattress, I'll give the URL below the video. Thank you. Chiropractic spring. Now I know how the chiropractic feels like. Firmer support, but it's not firm. 360 air ventilation. Minimum disturbance.